Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morvin. Today I want to show you how to make a simple single increase, knit front and back. It's usually abbreviated somewhere like this in patterns. It is a single decrease, it's slightly leaning to the left. It's usually used as a basic increase. So here these knots show the stitches that were increased with this method. So I was increasing this little fabric in the beginning and in the end. I wouldn't say that this is the most invisible increase, but it has its place. So let's make it. So we have a stitch, a knit stitch, and we knit it, but we don't drop it from the left needle, and then we go over and pick up the back loop and make another stitch, and finally then we drop it from the left needle. So this is this little knot that will show that the stitch was decreased. Let's do it one more time. On front loop, on back loop, and here we go. And let me show you a little moment for fellows continental knitters who don't use Norwegian style purl stitches, which make right legs of stitches be in front, but instead they are on back like this. So then you just need to change the position. If the right leg is behind, you just need to change the position to make it front, like this, and just do the work. Front loop, back loop, here we go. That was all for today. Thanks for watching me. Have a great day and a cool summer. Bye.